Alright, y'all, in today's video,
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy back again with another video, man. I had to bring y'all an update. As you can see, the two-doors over here, full effect. Bam, looking good. Dirty, but looking good. And we got yellow boy over here chilling. So the reason that I moved the blue one. I moved Latrice from behind yellow is because yellow we still trying to get right. So from when the gas was sitting, I don't know what it was doing, man. So I just been currently going through the fuel system. We put a new filter on there. Make sure wasn't no gas in there gumming that up. We also went ahead and put a new what's this thing called? We put a new fuel pressure regulator on there. So we got that. I guess really at this point we just gotta kind of log and look at the data on why this one is doing what it's doing. The two-door, the box has actually been running a whole lot better. You know what I'm saying? And surprisingly, I think the gas in here had been sitting longer than the other one. So word to the wise man, shit, keep cranking them, driving them. Don't let your car sit for long periods of time. But yeah, now that thing will just so the voltage regulator, well, not the voltage regulator, the fuel pressure regulator on this one, we checked it. It was leaking like out this other side. So it was fuel that was coming up out of that side, which made it not good for us. So I think that might have been part of the reason why it was acting and doing what it was doing. But like I said, time will tell. But like I said, this one definitely riding, or definitely sounding better, driving better. Like a matter of fact, I'm finna take it for a spin. This should be the first one since I put that fuel pressure regulator on there. At first it was acting like it didn't want to cooperate, but it's been doing pretty good here lately. It's nice and chilly out here in Texas, man. But I prefer the chilliness over that heat. That heat be something else. That chilliness though. Yeah. Alright then. Let me snap back. I need to find some mirrors, man. So there were the stock mirrors that was on here, but I honestly want to find some mirrors like these. That's just, I mean, they can be manual. They ain't gotta be electric, but just chrome against the blue. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all know of any chrome mirrors that I could put on here, then let me know. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, so I don't know if I had brought y'all last time. I think I was mainly doing snaps and shit. But yeah, basically we couldn't get too far off of nothing. I wonder if I need to bleed my damn brakes. It kind of feel kind of crazy. of course it don't stop like a new, but ain't no reason why it shouldn't. It ain't making that noise no more. It don't feel like it's struggling no more. I didn't realize that fuel pressure regulator was an issue, but we got it together. We got it together. Like I said, now we just gotta take care of the whole situation. Like when you turn and it dip, or when you turn off into somewhere, it rub a little bit, but that's fine. We got a solution for that too. But she back, she moving, she grooving, like she never left. They be like, who that is in that bar Chevy, that two-door bar Chevy with the Camaro dash, bitch. It's me, bitch. It's me, you little itty bitty bitty bitch. But yeah, the other day I couldn't hit a motherfucking turn without it being cutting off. Or go fast, slow down, and that bitch will just cut the fuck off. But we got all the fresh gas in there, some stabilizers, some seafoam, and she back in motion, nigga. We need to make this the car meet car. I think it did that the other day too. It was like, we got it going. I got up to this motherfucker to stop. That bitch had cut off. That bitch said, Let me find out Tudo shot it back in the game, bitch. Stop fucking playing. Stop fucking playing. Where my oil pressure at? So, it shows. I don't know how accurate that is. I don't have a mechanical gauge on that bitch. I just know that it's not. I just know that the motherfucker's moving and grooving like it's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? And as long as it's doing what it's supposed to, you really ain't got to worry about that extra shit. On tonight. So, till the next time, baby. Like I said, we're gonna continue to keep this one in the running, and then we gotta get that cutlass right. Like right now, the cutlass. Let me show you. Let me tell you. Alright. While that continues to run. Like I said, she probably back in the good graces. I don't know if my fucking reverse light is working. I have to check that out. Maybe that switch is tripping. But yeah, the situation with the photo, or the situation with the Cutlass, of course, is that the transmission only got first, I believe. It's kind of hard to tell with it not running the way it's supposed to. But like I said, we put that new fuel pressure regulator on there, and hopefully that kind of solved a little bit of the problem. But we got the keys to it over here. We just got to put some power to it. Get the Batmobile keys. Put some power to that bit. Let's see what it's gonna do. Trying to look in there and so yeah, when that one crank up, you can't really hear shit, but yeah, man, still making shit happen. Like this one running still. You can't hear shit. Let me see if I can find my damn what's it called? What's it called? The chalk block. So I can put it in reverse and see if it's doing what it's supposed to do. Got shit everywhere, boy. I'm trying to think the last place I had them hoes. I thought it was when I was working on. There you go. I was working on the two-door. Gotta fix that light thing in the front too. Oh, that's why I only got one reverse light, so I need a second one. Well, damn. Alright, so we know where we stand with that shit. I think I just ran. I think that motherfucker just overpowered. Yeah, that bit disintegrated the goddamn chalk block. That bit trash now. Alright, man, but yeah, keep tuning in. Back to work, bitches.